Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share holiday special melts in your mouth snowball cookies. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe by clicking the red subscribe button and also ring the bell button for notification whenever I upload a new video. Let's get started. I have taken 1 cup of butter, that is 230 grams of butter. To that I have also taken 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Butter should be room temperature. Nicely beat them together. Whisk the butter until it is light and fluffy. Nice smooth and light consistency is important. These are very easy to make cookies. Sure, give it a try. Now I'll be adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. These cookies are made very quick and ingredients are very few ingredients. Now I'm adding all-purpose flour. This is 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And now this is 1 cup almond flour. And this is 1 cup of walnut flour. Walnuts, I just chopped it in the mixer. There will be even small bits. I have made it little bit extra powder. You can keep as chopped one also. When I was adding 1 more cup of all-purpose flour, the video got off. So 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of almond flour and 1 cup of chopped nuts. Any nuts you can take. Almond and walnut together, or only almonds also is okay, or even pecans will be very tasty in these cookies. Nicely beat them together. That's all, very few ingredients. We are not going to use lot of ingredients as we'll be rolling these cookies in the sugar. I'm not using lot of sugar in this mix. Very little sugar, that is 1/4 cup I have added. Now the consistency should be like this. Just if you hold it in your hand, you will just feel the same way, like you're forming a ball. Now we'll rest the dough for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we will make small balls. Just small balls will be cute. First, now I'm dividing the balls. I just took a spoon, a round spoon, to keep all the balls in same size. Now we'll roll each and every ball, nice, soft and fine. As these balls will not puff up or spread in size, they will just cook. So we need not worry about the space in between. Now I'll be baking this in 350 Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. I was able to make in 2 trays, approximately 30 cookies out of this measurement. When the cookies are done, we will be just rolling all these cookies immediately when they are hot in the powdered sugar. Keep enough powdered sugar so that we can just roll them nicely. This is first coat. First coat, you should roll it when it is nice and hot and let it cool completely for 15 to 20 minutes. Then give a second coat. First coat, they will be little bit wet. Second coat, they will be nice and dry and just melting in your mouth snowball cookies. See how beautiful they are out of the oven. You can see how they are toasted by the side. This is how they look when you bake them. 12 minutes, not more than 12 minutes. Let the cookies cool completely and give a second coat for sure. Now the snowball cookies are ready. These cookies are very delicious and very tasty. They will fly in no time. All the cookies will be gone, so you have to be very careful. These cookies can just simply be made only with the all-purpose flour also, little bit of nuts chopped will also do, but almond flour and walnuts will make them more rich. Sure, give it a try. Hope you all like it. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.